Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Impact.com for affiliate program setup for your own brand step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Impact.com website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner. Fill in the required fields to create your account. Confirm your email address by checking your inbox for a verification email. Once verified, log in to your new account. You will be directed to the Impact dashboard. Choose the option to create a new program specifically for affiliates. Select the type of affiliate program that best suits your brand's goals. Fill out the necessary details about your brand and the program. Include information like your brand name, description, and commission structure. Set the payment method you wish to offer your affiliates. Upload your brand's logo and any other relevant promotional materials. Review the program settings for accuracy. Once satisfied, click on the Create Program button to finalize your setup. After creating your program, invite potential affiliates to join. You can do this by sending personalized invitations through the platform. Monitor your program's performance using the analytics tools provided. Adjust commission rates or promotional materials based on the data you gather. Ensure to communicate regularly with your affiliates to maintain engagement. Keep your program updated with new promotions or offers as needed. Your affiliate program is now set up and ready to generate results for your brand. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.